Hey everyone, it's Deborah and I am going to try again. I've tried to film my video 3 times and have uploaded it 3 times and it's been wrong. So let me show you what I have been doing. I have been making flowers, full on flower making mode. I learned how to make this flower from ScrapDivaDesigns by Julie on YouTube. She actually bought a little punch from, and the paper from Diso, however you pronounce it. But this is the paper that she used. This is a different paper that I used on that one. I can't remember. It's another Diso paper, like maybe one of these. But anyway, she showed on her this particular flower, which is made from this one, and it's just a little flower punch. Let me show you all of those real quick. Okay, and then I did make, they're super cute, guys. And then I did make a red, white, and blue version for, you know, Memorial Day and whatchamacallit. Let me show you the punch real quick. It's this punch, okay? And of course, this paper, anything that is this drawing paper, that's what she used, okay? So let me go on and show you the rest of the flowers, because I've been making flowers. And there's a yellow version of the flowers, and I'll show you the dies that I used for the flowers. I also used my Cricut for some of them. The sunflower right here is from the Cricut for sure. And here, these are going to be mostly, I'm going to leave this one aside because I'll show you the dies I used. Oh, and I have more of these. Oh my gosh. That little... You guys will have to go watch Julie's tutorial on that flower because it is just so cute. And that was more the Cricut. And then here, these are going to be a combination of ScrapDivaDesigns and KS Craft Flowers. And I'll show you the dies that I used once we finish going through all of these. And stay tuned because there's a flip through of all the Michaels, the new Michaels paper pads, okay? All right, I went crazy on flowers. Okay, so let me show you the dies I used to make these flowers. Oh my goodness. And if you're interested, please let me know and I will. So this one right here is from, actually that's probably the poppy plate. Okay, this one right here is a ScrapDivaDesign, flower number 2, and that's going to be this flower, these 3 flowers right here, flower number 2. And then this one, the fringe style flower, it's one of these right here. Actually, yes, it is in there. And then the zinnia plate, did I use this one? No, I did not use that one in this one. And then this is the loopy flower, and that's ScrapDivaDesigns, that's right there. And then the sakura flower is right here from ScrapDivaDesigns. And did I use the edge flower? Oh, this is the edge flower right here from ScrapDivaDesigns. And I did not use these. Okay. Whoops. I'm knocking my stuff off. Alright. But anyway, there you go. That's what I used to make all the flowers. And let me know which flower is your favorite. And then stay tuned to watch the flip through of the Michaels paper. Alright. Bye guys. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.